Hello, welcome to episode 3 of a Brandy Unboxed. Today we got a special delivery from a laser pecker, and I know what you're thinking, Brandy, you don't need any more lasers. Yes I do, because this one is different, and I will show you why in a sec. First, let's open it. So these are like a lot of different accessories. Like the base seems to be removable. And this is the Laser Pecker 4. Okay, I think this is the actual laser part. It's heavy duty. And the purple is so cute. Oh, a little ruler. Cord. It's like the hood. More cables, instructions, test material. More goggles. You know I love the laser goggles. Let me put those on. One sec. More power adapters. Let's get these goggles on. What color are we dealing with? Ooh, it's like an amber color. Everything looks different. Everything is really muted right now. It looks like, I feel like this is how a dog sees colors right now. Oh, how cute. A little dongle. USB stick. I've never had a laser come with one of those. LT button. Some kind of button. What's in here? Oh, just a little thing to keep your littles in. Keep it really organized. I love organization. It says cutting pads or cutting pad. Okay. Just one. Okay, let's not go crazy. Let's stay a little bit organized over here. Okay, so that's all the laser stuff. We're there. Okay, these are all things you can buy separate. I requested the power pack and carrying case so that I can take this with me to events and laser engrave on the site. How cool is that? So I can keep everything. So I can keep all the laser stuff in this carrying case to the market and engrave somebody's name, charge them, or maybe not charge them. Maybe do it as a free upgrade incentive to buy something. And people love to see you doing things at markets. So that's just a way to bring in a lot more revenue and sell your products. And this is why this laser is different, because they sell a power pack and you can literally not be plugged in and just be lasering. I saw my friend David, he has the same one, and he was always lasering wherever with his battery pack. And I just thought that was the coolest thing. Okay, wow. And the battery pack has its own little case with a strap. Oh my God, it's so cute. I gotta show you. Like, that's a little battery pack. I don't know how it works yet, but we'll figure that out. Meanwhile, me and my battery are gonna hang out. These lasers do tend to get a little smoky if you're doing a bunch of them, so I requested the air purifier as well. If you're doing this indoors, you might want the air purifier, but if it's an outdoor market, you're good to go, you're fine. So this is a lot of stuff, looks like. Oh, perfect. It has a handle. It looks like a little cooler. All right, so that's that. There's a lot of stuff here, but there it is. And I will show you in a second what this thing can do. In here is where all the screws are. I don't get this though. Oh, when the cap is off, you can just pop that on top. That's a little fan. Okay, it's just being powered by a little battery pack right now. How awesome is that? Also looks like it has Bluetooth, so maybe you can run it from your phone? Yep. How cool is that? You don't need to bring your computer either if you're doing it at a market. Okay, I'm running it from my phone right now. I've tried some different settings, and right now we're at 1 minute. This thing is super fast, and I chose a higher resolution. You can pick your resolution size. Looks like we're coming in at a minute. Okay, that was a minute 18 seconds for this really clean logo. Super impressed by this machine. And again, all running from the battery pack and the app on my phone. So you can take this literally anywhere with you. And I just unplugged it, and this thing actually, the battery itself turns off by itself. So that is a great energy saving thing that they incorporated in case you leave it on. Yeah, this thing is blowing it out of the water right now, you guys.